I'm very excited to share the news with you that I finally got my PMP certification done.
Thanks to eduhubspot.com and Barun's mentorship.
The material provided by EduHubSpot is fantastic and the mentoring is phenomenal.
I could not accomplish this feat without the outstanding mentorship of Barun.
I would like to thank EduHubSpot for all the support that was given to me in this journey.
If you're looking to be certified just like me, EDU HubSpot is your go-to place.
Thank you, EduHubSpot, for helping me become a PMI certified professional.
I want to give credit to my success to the EduHubSpot team.
Hi Vishwambara, congratulations on passing the PMP exam. So after a lot of hard work, so how are you feeling right now?
Hi Gautam. So I'm feeling very grateful and I'm feeling very excited, happy. More than that, I'm feeling very proud of myself that I have achieved something, a milestone that I really wanted to do in my life. This is one of the biggest milestone that I wanted to achieve for a long, and I'm feeling very proud and grateful about myself.
You should be Vishwambara because this certification is not something everyone can achieve. You know, you
Right.
achieved it. I'm so happy for you. All the hard work you did, you deserve. You really deserve.
Thank you.
Good. So thank you so much for doing this particular interview. And because why I'm saying thank is a lot of my students told me, Gautam, these success story interviews are really motivating us. And definitely, I'm 200% sure your interview will also motivate many people. Thanks for doing this.
Definitely, that's my pleasure.
Good. So I have set of questions to ask you. So let me ask one by one. So
Sure.
please share your professional background. What do you do?
All right. So I have about 11 plus years of experience completely into IT industry. So I got placed in Accenture right after my college days, campus interview, and then my journey started as a tester, and I am I have completed like 11 years completely into the testing field, be it manual and automation. So I started as a tester and then moved to a senior tester and then test lead. Now I'm a manager. So like sort of it is kind of a functional manager role that I would say I'm doing. I'm like happy that I'm sort of using the technical terms that I learned from PMP. So I want to now take care of projects where the entire project I'm able to start from the beginning till end. I'm wanting to do it. So that is my my professional background.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so currently I'm taking care of just the testing team. So I
Got
have
you.
a few reportees. So they are all into the testing.
Got you, Vishwambara. So you being a testing manager means test manager, leading group of testing people. Why PMP? Why you have made a decision? Okay, let me do PMP.
See, the main reason one is that I wanted to, grow up in the ladder. The competition is very high, and also like I said, now I'm taking only care of the testing part of the project, but I want to see it from a holistic picture, like starting from what happens from the initiation phase until the closure. So I want to take care of everything like in a streamlined manner. So there are a lot of issues that we are facing from the testing team, like the code get delayed, and there are a lot of gap analysis, like requirement gap missed. So all of that can be catered, like if we have this sort of knowledge. And
Mhm.
and more importantly, PMP does not only teach us about how to take care of the project, but also how to take care of the team,
Yeah.
how to manage a team, take the team along with us, grow with the team, with the organization. So that's the primary goal.
Excellent. You know, I just want to share my experience here. I'm talking to a lot of PMP aspirants, not only my students. In general, I talk to a lot of PMP aspirants. Any PMP aspirants who said that, Gautam, the reason I'm taking PMP is to enhance myself in my career, to apply things in my work. Trust me, those guys never fail this PMP exam. You are one such example. Yeah, I
Yeah,
really loved your answer. Yeah.
sure.
So,
Thank you.
please share your PMP journey, Vishwambara, from how it started and how it ended.
So, to be very honest, like the current organization I'm working in as the manager, so it's been like 7 years. So I wanted to like do something that it's very challenging, be it with the team or with the peers, or when it comes to a present and all of this. So that's how it really started. That okay, I want to do something challenging, something like where I can put my more of my efforts into like studying, and then having a milestone. So I came across a lot of I was just when I was just googling, I came across a lot of certification, but I thought, okay, let me go with PMP, because I have heard from a lot of my colleagues that PMP is one of the toughest, and it's very difficult to clear in the first go. So I thought, like, why not let me give it a try and see what exactly is PMP all about. And that is the triggering point that I had. Like, when people say that it's very tough, I will like, okay, I have to challenge. This cannot be that way. I have to clear it in the first go, and that's how I decided to go for PMP. And when I enrolled for it, when I started looking at the syllabus and what exactly it teaches us, it was like way beyond what knowledge I had about what PMP is all about.
Got
So
you.
that's how I thought that, okay, I should do PMP, and I should like stand one step ahead from all of my peers.
Okay, that's nice. That's nice, Vishwambara. And please share your PMP preparation journey. How did you prepare for this exam?
Okay.
Yeah.
So, actually, what happened is, just to give you a little background, I enrolled for some other training partner, but I was not satisfied that much. When the course got completed, and when I really started studying, it was like totally, they wanted us to just go by the books, whatever is given in the book. So there was not much of understanding. So I couldn't even understand a simple concept. So I started, actually I booked my exam, and then I started preparing. So that is one a little mistake that I did. But what I did is, okay, if I have to understand the concept, I have to like really go. I mean, I went into looking for a lot of videos and all of that. That's when I came across Edu HubSpot, and Varun's video were like eye openers. So I thought, like, okay, why I should not like talk to you guys and then see how I can pass my exam, how I can do my prep work. So I connected with one of your team from Edu HubSpot, and that's when I enrolled for your boot camp. So she suggested me to look at all your videos, and I was like, okay, I want to go only for Gautam's boot camp. So boot camp is one such thing that helped me a lot. So the when it comes to preparation, like what I feel is that boot camp plays a pivotal role. We have to be very attentive, extremely attentive, brutally attentive during the boot camp, and definitely 1 to 2 hours we have to spend apart from our homeworks also. Like, what I did is, not I just didn't do the homework, but I repeatedly replayed all your videos again and again, and took down a lot of notes. That helped me to crack the exam. And of course, the mock tests and the cloned exam, like the PMP cloned questions, helped me a lot. So basically, my preparation was, your bootcamp sessions, your recordings, the simulators, and the questions.
Thank you so much for sharing this. And the next question I have is, can you please share your experience of the actual PMP exam? How was the exam?
Yeah, so on the day of the exam, I was like, I actually booked the 8 o'clock slot. I'm from Chennai, so I actually booked the 8 o'clock slot, and I wanted to reach there, well before the time, because so I don't get any sort of anxiety or that fear I had throughout that week itself. I was like, okay, in a week I have my PMP exam. How am I going to do all that tension I had? So on that day, I reached exam hall about 1.5 hours ago only, and I was waiting there for the
Oh, this means by 6:30 you reached.
6:30 itself. I reached the center.
Okay.
I was waiting for the person to open and let us in. So once the verification and all of that was done, actually I was very extremely tensed. But that's when one thing which was running inside my head is like, one of your thing, and Varun, the same thing both of you told is, follow MS Dhoni's that cool thing. Yeah, it was just running behind my head. I was like, okay, I have to keep myself cool and not go into the panic mode. So when I looked at the first question, I was like, okay, now I have to focus only on this question and forget about what is going to be the result. So that's how, like, initially, after like 5 to 10 questions, I just looked at the time and sort of, I did a math and had that question, like, first 60 minutes, I have to do like 80 to 80, at least 80 questions minimum I have to finish. And I was very sure that I have to take the break. Otherwise, my mind will become like, over boarded, so I didn't want to do that. So I wanted to take that break. So I didn't mark any questions for review because I was not sure like how it would be. So first I set the time. First 80 minutes 60 questions, and then I mean second 80 minutes 60 questions, and then the remaining I planned it like that. I went for the break. So first set of questions, like the first 60 questions were a little, I felt it a little difficult. Maybe it was because of the tension and I mean, I was like very much anxiety. So it could be that reason. But after the break, the second set of questions, I was feeling very easy. I mean, it was very easy and I was feeling very relaxed. I was like, okay, I am going to pass this exam. Sure, short. And then I took the second break. And like the last set of questions were really difficult. Like it were all the questions were badly worded, too much information, very long question. So I mean, it's like we have to read the question once, twice, thrice just to understand the problem statement and then get the answers. So this was I mean, that's how I felt the exam was. But I think overall the exam was little okay compared to, so it was easier than what the mock test and the clone that we give in the ED HubSpot.
Thanks for sharing this, Vishwambara. Yeah, I think actually MS Dhoni also helped you, right, to keep
Exactly.
your nerve. Good. That's
And
nice.
one more thing Varun had told, like, that video, one particular video I watched, I deliberately watched like multiple times before I went for the exam, is like he had told in one of the video that, have a mindset that this is not the end of your life. Even if we fail, that's okay. This is not going to be the end of your life. So just keep that in mind. And this thing and your MS Dhoni's thing, like, kept me, sort of I tried
Nice
to
to hear.
keep this, running inside my head, and kept myself cool.
That's nice. Thanks for sharing this, Vishwambara.
Sure.
The next question I have: what advice you would give to someone who wants to start their PMP certification journey?
Okay. So the very first thing I would say is, blindly don't look for any other training partner. Just go with EDU HubSpot and just go with the Gautam Sudhakar's boot camp. Just enroll.
Thank you. Vishwambara.
Sure thing that person, whoever is planning to do PMP will definitely pass. But my other advice would be, like, understand each and every concept. Without understanding, there is no way that we can crack even a single question, even if it is a straightforward one. So without understanding the concepts, right? I mean, if we are having a little background about the project management and sort of that, we can in our own industry, in our own examples, we can try to relate the concept that you're teaching with what we have, what we are doing in our day to day. So that also would help. And preparation is, dedicatedly study 1 to 2 hours daily. Whether we have boot camp, we don't have boot camp, it doesn't matter. So 2 hours of preparation per day is mandatory.
Thank you so much, for sharing this. My last question: your experience with EDU HubSpot?
It was really, really great. I'm actually very grateful for you and Varun. Sincerely, thank you so much, because actually everyone would say, whoever I have spoken to about PMP till now, they have told me that it's one of the toughest. But you guys made it so easy with your explanation, with your real-time examples, with the way the boot camps went and the simulators. It was, oh, this is just this concept. Okay, I thought it was something, it was a rocket science. So nothing is rocket science here. Everything is, we just have to understand what is what. And you guys made it very simple for us to understand what is what. I had a very seamless experience with EDU HubSpot. I am like looking for, I after clearing my exam, when I told my colleagues and my managers, that I have cleared PMP, everybody started asking me, give me the details of the training center where you went, because everybody has a perception that PMP is not something that can be cleared at one first attempt. So I told them that it was very easy. I'll give you all the details. So just follow what what people say, and then you can just clear it.
Thank you so much. Actually, Yeah, go ahead, please.
No, I was just trying to say that I started looking into like what are the other thing that I can learn after PMP. What other courses I can do, enroll with EDU HubSpot, and try to improve my skills and competencies after PMP.
That's nice, yeah. I know you will do it because I know you are a very aspiring person. And thank you so much for referring, Vishwambara. To be honest, I don't have any shame in saying this. I make food on my plate because of my students, because they pass, they shout out, and they give a lot of new customers to us. Thank you so much for doing this, Vishwambara. So kind of you.
Thank you. Actually, thank you, Gautam. Without this, we definitely wouldn't have cleared.
You're welcome. You're welcome, yeah. So, yes, we came to the end of our interview. Thank you so much for taking time and sharing all your experience. As usual, I had a great time working with you. And in this 15 minutes also, I had a great time interviewing you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Likewise, Gautam.
Okay, then. Bye.
Bye bye.